All of the photos we click, videos, etc., all of them are two-dimensional. So obviously the next step is to click 3D photos, right? Well, it's not so simple, but today I'm going to be making it simple for you. I'm going to be showing you how do you click 3D pictures or create a 3D model of yourself with your iPhone 10 or later. So how does this work? You have Face ID in iPhone 10 or later. So in order for Face ID to work, the camera throws a light at us, a light that we can't really see. This is called infrared light. We can observe these lights using an infrared camera. Also, this tech can also be used to create 3D models of yourself. So to do so, you need to install this app called Scandy Pro. Scandy Pro. Once you have installed it, you're pretty much good to go. So it requires nearly no setup, and just click that purple create button in the bottom, and yep. Now keep your iPhone close to you near your face and slowly rotate it, and make sure that you are looking straight in front of you and don't change your position at all. So yeah, well, after this, yep, your 3D model is good to go, and you can even open this using your Mac or any other laptop, Windows included. You can open this using Paint 3D, Blender. Blender is my personal preference. So yep. And this app gives you around 5 GB for free. For more you will have to purchase, but that's not really a big issue. This isn't even the most fun part. If you have an iPhone 12 Pro or Pro Max, even 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max would work, or an iPad Pro, you can create a 3D model of your room, and then you can obviously do the same. Export it on your laptop using Paint 3D or Blender, and whoa, you literally have a 3D model of your room in your laptop. So yep, this is pretty much it for the video, and hope you all enjoyed and learned. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Bye.